Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at pound US dollar. Just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed recently. We're very close now to our 1,000th subscriber goal, so thank you very much for being a part of our community. So now back into the video for this week's analysis. So we've basically looking at price action in terms of trend line and how price has been acting previously. This level here in terms of this zone, we can see that this choppy sort of price action has led to eventually breaking out of our downtrend momentum, and now potentially we could be looking for some sort of upside change now. Especially with the news with the pound, it's always you have to always be careful in terms of the news points. So just keep an eye out for this week in terms of that. So what I will be looking for is to continue to see if we can ride this trend to the upside. So right now we're pushed to the upside and we're on our little way back in terms of retracement. So from where we are now, we are waiting for the push to the upside, so potentially finding some bullish momentum, and we will aim towards the upper monthly level at 1.220, so hopefully we can reach that. If it fails to do so, we will see if price can come to this level and then come back up, and then in another scenario we could potentially come back to this zone here and push back up as well. So that is another possibility. So these are three buying points that I'll be looking at here, here, and here. If we find any momentum, then we will take it. Now, in terms of potential short moves, apart from saying that we could go all the way down here, if price is to get to this bottom level and close below, we will look for a retest and then see if we can reach lower than that. So I doubt that would actually happen, but it's a possible scenario. So I believe that this is a big turning point. So if we do manage to find price action here, this will be a very good point for a buying potential, just due to previous history in terms of price reaching the lowest lows in 10 years. If you've read that in any articles, the pound is really suffering at the minute, so it's good to take advantage of that while we can. Something just to note on the side as well, if you notice that price has just been really slow this month, it's because August is obviously the holiday quote month. A lot of big banks and a lot of big players who are typically in the market are not involved, so hence why we are seeing this choppy movement in pairs, not just in pound USD, but just in generic other pairs as well. So that will be all for pound US dollar. And just to quickly show you our Twitter, we post all our updates that we are interested in and potential entry points that we're looking at. So it's good for learners, good for beginners. Just to show you again, at KMTRADERS_. And lastly, before we leave, if you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that'd be absolutely amazing. Getting close to our 1,000 subscriber goal, so it would be good if you could be a part of our community. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.